Hey, what's up? TROY the maker checking in, and today we are going to engrave on a car license plate. And if this is your first time here, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Welcome to the project. Okay, you're gonna need a blank license plate. But this plate that I'm using, it is an anodized aluminum blank, and I will put in the description below where I got this from. It is black, so when you engrave on it, it's gonna show the aluminum color. They had other colors like red, green, and blue also, but the person that I'm doing these plates for actually wanted black, so that's what we're gonna be working with. So let me show y'all the designs that we're gonna put on these license plates. Okay, we're in CorelDRAW. This is the first design that we're gonna put on it. It just says Nashville, Tennessee. The second one says Big Cap, and this is gonna be the third one right here. Yeah, I know it's a big long acronym. So if you wanna know what this means, you can pause the video, Google it, and you'll get exactly what this means. But we're gonna go back to the first one right here, the Nashville, Tennessee. As you can see, I put a box right here because this is the size of the license plate. It measures 12 by 6 inches. And I just use this as a guide so I can see what size I want each design to be inside of. They some pretty simple designs, and I wanted to make them as big as possible to fit as much of the design inside of the license plate as I could. And also you have to keep in mind the little cutouts for the screws. So if you want to screw it onto your car or something like that, you want to make sure that the design is right there. So you know, the screws, the little cutout part is going to go like right up in here somewhere, and over here, and down at the bottom like so. So yeah, these are the 3 designs. Okay, then we in Glowforge print. I don't have it on yet, but I just want to show y'all the settings that I'm going to use for this engrave. And I use the speed of 1000, the power at 52, and the lines per inch, I'm going to change that to 340, 1 pass, and I use the auto height right here, and that's what I'm going to do for this engrave. So I put a piece of draft board down first inside of the Glowforge bed to give it some contrast, so when I get ready to line the design up on top of the car plate, I can see it better. And there you have it, laser engraving on some anodized aluminum car plates. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else. Big Cap, the license plate is on the way.